Separate your feet, your
No,
stance.
you're not touching me.
Ma'am.
You're not touching my traffic card. Stop me. Stop me.
You need to stop.
On May 11th, around 9:30 a.m., officers with the Key West Police Department responded to a disturbance involving a woman causing a scene near a public restroom. City employees reported that the suspect had refused to leave the bathroom after remaining inside for more than an hour and became aggressive when confronted. Officers arriving on scene observed a heated verbal confrontation as the suspect allegedly shouted profanities in a crowded tourist area. The suspect allegedly called 911 while standing only feet away from officers already on scene. Police say that after being warned about misusing emergency services, the situation spiraled further, leading to a physical struggle where the suspect allegedly resisted arrest and bit an officer.
Okay, well, hang on, because you're on the phone with our dispatch, so we're just wanting to make sure you're
No,
okay.
I'm asking for another officer.
Hey, what's the problem with us?
Yes, I'm going to the front. I'm being stalked and harassed.
All right, Miss Goldsmith, come here. Miss Goldsmith, I'm not going to chase you. Come here. Put your phone down. Put your bag down.
They're arresting me now.
Put your phone down. Turn around, face the wall, put your hands behind your back. I'm arresting you for misuse of 911. You do not have a legitimate emergency and you have 2 police officers standing in front of you.
Let's go so I can report you.
Stop. Face the wall.
Don't touch me. I do not want you patting me down or anything.
I don't care. That's not how this works.
Okay. So if you touch me, I'm going to. Okay.
Do you have anything illegal on
No,
your
I
person?
do not.
Anything that's going to poke me,
Nope.
stick me, cut me,
I
blow
do
me
not.
up, or give me radiation?
Do not touch me.
Ma'am, stop. You're not getting in my vehicle unless I search you.
So you need to call a female. Do not fucking touch me.
That is not how
If
this
you
works.
touch me, I swear to God, I'm going to kick. I'm going to fight. I swear to God. If you touch me, I'm going to fight.
Miss Goldsmith,
Do not touch me. I'm requesting for a female
Miss
officer.
Goldsmith, there is
You
not.
see this?
Miss Goldsmith,
Stop pushing me.
Miss Goldsmith, you need to stop trying to pull away from me.
I'm not doing anything.
Ma'am,
You going
you
to
need
jail.
stop.
You going to
You
jail.
need to stop.
You're going to jail.
In fact, you are going to jail.
Okay, let's go. I've been to jail. I know the
Okay,
procedures.
you're not
You got
getting
the
in my
right one.
car. You are not getting in
So
my
you
car
need to
until I-
call for another officer.
No, that is not how this works.
Okay, so I did. So
Miss
you're going to
Goldsmith.
be held accountable.
Miss Goldsmith,
I'm not giving you permission to touch me.
that is not how this works.
Okay, do what you got to do, but I'm not giving you permission to touch
Miss
me.
Goldsmith, you need to stop. Put your stomach against the wall, please. Separate your feet, your
No,
stance.
you're not touching me.
Ma'am.
You're not touching my traffic card. Get off me. Get off of me.
You need to stop.
I got a dress
You
on.
need to stop.
Get from between my legs.
Goldsmith, you need to stop.
Roll over on your
To
side.
Put your knees up to your stomach.
I'm not doing that.
Ma'am?
I have a dress on. Thank you.
10 for me. Sir, I need you to my 1024. All right. So you don't asphyxiate. Thank you.
You're in trouble. You are in big trouble. You scraped me. I have cuts and bruises.
And you see that?
Subject has no injuries, but she bit me on the wrist.
No, I did not bite you. I did not f***ing bite you.
Did I bite
What is that?
myself?
I did not do that.
All over.
You
Just stay
lying.
right there.
You scraped me, and I
Ma'am?
do have injuries.
Ma'am?
You see that shit?
You need to calm
Don't play
down.
with me.
Ma'am?
You threw me to the f***ing ground like a f***ing man.
You tried to
Kicked
elbow
him.
me.
You kicked
Because you tried to
kicked
f***ing touch
him.
my vagina.
Ma'am, I got nowhere near your
That's
private.
the f*** you did.
Stop screaming at me.
You
Stop
pervert.
screaming
You
at me.
pervert.
Miss Goldsmith, stop screaming at me.
And then I got it on camera with you
Goldsmith.
following me.
Miss
You
Goldsmith.
dummy.
Stop.
You mother dummy.
Miss Goldsmith.
Take me in. I'm ready to lay the f down.
Okay. You're going to jail.
I know. I'm ready, mother.
Okay. Good.
I got somewhere to lay my head. Now you dumb. over me like that.
Stop.
Get from over me like that.
Do not.
That's better. Get off of me.
Stop.
If you scrape me up, that's more.
Well, you've already elbowed me, bit him.
Because you tried to touch my vagina.
Nobody tried to touch
And you
your
did
vagina,
not get
ma'am.
elbowed. You lying now. You trying to make the situation worse. But I got it on camera.
And so do we.
I was calm until you tried to touch my vagina.
Stop.
Get the off of
Ma'am,
me.
stop pushing
Get
against
the
me.
off of me.
Stop.
I'm gonna cut. If you scrape
don't
my,
care if you're
I swear to God, if
uncomfortable.
I got any scratches and
I
bruises
don't care
on
if
me,
you're uncomfortable. You're
I don't
not
give
going to pull us. You're not going to kick us. You're not going to bite us.
if I got any scratches and bruises on me, you going down.
Okay. That's nice.
That's what the thought.
Okay.
And I got you on camera doing this yesterday. They did it yesterday.
I don't know.
Did you know that? The police was called yesterday for the same shit. You in trouble.
Screaming at me.
Thought I didn't know the law. Anytime a female requests for a female officer, she is supposed to get it when she's in compliance. You thought I didn't know that shit, did you?
If there's a female officer.
You thought I didn't know that shit, didn't you? You going to jail.
All right.
You only arrested me because I called your supervisor on you. That was the only reason.
No, ma'am.
Yes, it was.
Not true. You didn't,
and it's on the camera.
you didn't
And when
call
they
the
get here, I'm going to tell them that.
You illegally called 911, which is an arrestable offense. Thank you.
You mad?
And you also.
Because this the only damn thing you can do to me is put me in jail, bitch. It's over for your ass.
Yeah, this has been ongoing. Yeah. Ms. Goldsmith, you're still getting searched before you go on my vehicle, one way or another. All right? And as I told you before, we do not have a female officer working today. And aside from that fact, we are all trained on how to properly search females. Okay. You gotta find out. You gotta find out.
All of a sudden, on the day that you come to the bathroom to arrest me,
all right, Ms. Goldsmith.
You don't have a female officer and on any
Ms. Goldsmith?
on call anywhere.
I'm done talking to you.
I'm done talking to you. Suspicious to me.
Ms. Goldsmith, I'm done talking to you.
Okay,
Not right now, boss. Not right now, boss.
This man is telling you that you need a female officer to search her.
All right, listen.
They
You need to
won't
go
let
away.
me do it. And they
You
keep
need to go
trying
away.
to touch my vagina.
You need to go away.
How about this? How about I go to the courthouse?
You need to go away.
And let them know that you're trying to
You
search
need to
this
go
woman.
away. I'm gonna put you in handcuffs for obstruction.
Yeah, when
Walk
you do
away.
That, when you do that, let
Walk
you know
away.
you're already being sued.
Walk away.
It doesn't matter.
Walk
the
away.
whole city of Key West is being sued.
Walk away.
The whole city of Key West is being
Walk
sued.
away.
Tell that woman you're under
Walk
arrest.
away.
You're under
He
arrest.
already
when you-
tried.
Walk away.
He tried
Under arrest.
to.
Walk away. Lord. Is there something in the water today? Man.
It's a wrap for you. Because I'm going to jail. And I'm going to stay in that bitch.
Okay. Well, yes, you are.
I'm telling you I want to.
That's
bitch,
fine.
I've been in jail.
That's
you
fine.
stupid. You stupid.
Okay.
Don't you know you stupid? I'm homeless. That's a hotel to me, you dumbass.
Okay. Keep talking. Keep talking.
I get
Ms.
3
Goldsmith.
a day and a bed, you dumbass.
Keep-
That's a hotel to me.
Keep screaming. You're just adding to my disorderly charge.
I don't give a I have the right to be upset. You are not God.
I never said I was. Never said anything even close to that.
Don't
Stop.
Slide your warrant on.
Passenger side, please.
get this
I'm
scumbag
gonna
off
take
of
that
me.
stuff back to the station.
All right, ma'am, put your stomach on the blue line, please.
Stay right there.
So he tried to arrest me for using the restroom. That was the first time that he did what
Well,
he was called.
sure
Ma'am,
He
have a
was
seat.
trying to arrest me for using the female's restroom.
I'll check and see if he has a valid.
He didn't. That's why he tried to let me
Ma'am,
go.
get in, please.
You need to put his ass in jail. He
Yeah,
needs to
please.
get arrested. And if he does it,
I
I'm going.
thought you said you were going to sit in the car without complaining.
I'm saying, if he does it, I'm going to the mayor's office and I'm gonna make sure his ass is in jail.
Okay.
As the incident came to an end, officers were eventually able to take the suspect into custody after the struggle. According to reports, the woman was transported to jail and faced multiple charges, including misuse of the 911 emergency system, resisting an officer, disorderly conduct, and battery on a law enforcement officer following the alleged bite during the arrest. Incidents like these show how quickly a call that appears minor at first can escalate into a chaotic and dangerous situation for everyone involved. As with all cases, charges are allegations, and every individual is presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law. Let us know your thoughts on the incident in the comments below.